So we drove up to Lungerland today because I'm picking up Gator to take it down for the Bonanza. And you never knew how to drive stick, and you're like, you want to teach me? So here's we go. What was the first thing I said we got to do?
Hold it.
Well, okay. Second thing.
I think I have a lot of drivers in here. So.
It's true. So you make sure it's in neutral. Now step on the gas one time. Okay. Now let go and turn it on. It should turn on. Okay. All right. So now you're going to, that foot, you're going to clutch in, push all the way to basically to the metal. Okay. Oh, wow. Now this, you move all the way over this way and then up. That goes, you see it says first, second. So push up, you'll hear it. Up? No, it's, well, second's kind of better. This has a granny gear, so it's harder. All right. So now slowly let off that and give gas. No, slowly. So you didn't stall it. You almost stalled. You need to give gas at the same time while letting off.
Why am I going backwards?
It's just going to, because you're in neutral.
Okay, Viva, hold on.
So you let go of the clutch a little and then give a little bit of gas at the same time. No, that's a lot of gas. A little bit of gas. Yeah. Now let go.
Let go of the clutch?
Yeah, let go of it completely.
No, how do I brake?
With the brake. Okay. But let go. When you put the clutch in, it's fine.
I don't know what I'm doing.
I know you don't know what you're doing. When you put the clutch in, it's like you're putting brakes. Okay? So
how do I brake?
Like that, but you don't want to brake when you're in gear.
How do I make myself not in gear then?
Well, put the clutch in and then shift up.
Hold on, how do I
put the clutch in and shift this up. No, not all the way up.
Okay.
Now you're in neutral. So now you can put on the brake. You don't have to be on the clutch. See? Now you're in the brake. But let's get you to go through the gears.
Where am I going?
We're going to go straight and then make a turn around. We'll drive around the barn. Okay, so same thing.
So
clutch in and then put down. We'll start in second. It's easier. Okay. Yeah.
Down?
Second. Yeah, down. There you go. All right. Now slowly let off while giving gas. Yeah, okay, a little. There you go. Yeah, you're smooth.
And then
let off the clutch. Okay, so now give gas and then you're in second gear. So you could go to 10, 15 miles an hour like this. So now,
if I wanted to go faster, then I have to clutch again.
No. You could go a little bit faster.
But I'm saying
if you want to go into a second gear, which I want you to go into third gear, once you go to this straightaway, I'll show you. Here, make a left. Okay, so now give a little bit of gas. Okay, now put the clutch in. Push the clutch all the way in. Push the clutch with your foot. Push that in. Okay, now you go up, over. Up, over, and up. Now you're in third gear. Go, give gas. Give gas. Third gear is harder. You have to be going faster. So now,
what did I just do?
Now we stalled it, which is fine. Turn it on.
Oh, it turned off.
Yeah.
Yeah. You got
Turn it back on. That's it. It's on. Okay. So now it's neutral.
Go back in clutch?
Yeah, clutch, second gear. You can't slow down from third to second to third. Third needs more power. The less power you have, the more jumpy it feels.
I'm just trying not to go into these dips also.
It's fine. This is a 4x4. You can go into the dips.
Okay. So there.
Yeah, down or there you go. Now
good?
You're in. So slow, give gas. Okay, there you go. So that's no. You're got a little Okay, turn.
That's good. Oh, it's hot in here now.
See, this is the main reason you want to have a farm. You could have your kids sitting. Everybody could drive around. You don't have to worry about anybody getting hurt. Teach your wife how to drive stick shift. All right, so now that you're giving decent speed, clutch in. Don't stop. Okay, so you up, over, up. Okay, let off the clutch. Okay, now you're in third. So third is the gear you drive in. So now you can drive straight. You can drive straight through here. This is it's smooth. Go in the. See? So then, if you want, you can go straight. Make a left at the thing. Now go down a gear. Okay, push the clutch in. Clutch in. Up, over, and down. Now you're back in second. Okay, so now if you want to park, just put the clutch in.
Go over this?
Yeah, you could. Just go slow. Going through the things. Don't turn it so hard.
Can you stop moving so much, Joey?
All right, and if you want to slow down,
No, I think we're good, right?
okay, here, drive through this. You could do
No,
it.
I'm not
You
going,
could do
I'm
it.
not going through it.
You could do it.
I'm not going
Lisa,
through it.
you could do
I don't
it.
want to.
But you could do it.
Stop. I don't want to.
Okay, well then never mind. If you want, just pull up anywhere. If you want, I'll swap with you.
No, it's
Just
fine. I'm going back over there. And I'm
okay.
done.
You did really good. We're only 5 minutes into the video and you kind of figured it out.
But how do I
You
know
need
when to clutch? Like now?
I mean, you don't need a clutch while you're on the gas. Don't go too close to the trucks, but you clutch when you want to slow down. So you clutch, take it
then I
out of
put it
gear,
back
and then
in
you
one.
put it in brake. No, you don't need to put it into anything. You just, if
just
you're
neutral.
slowing down, yeah.
You put it to neutral?
You don't touch
Yeah.
really
So put the clutch in.
Hold on. Hold on.
But he needs
Okay.
to touch so much when he gets really on the street.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So clutch means this?
Yeah. Okay,
And
now, no, that's it. And now brake. That's it. It's manual brakes, so you got to push them hard. But yeah.
Well, as hard as it will go.
Yeah. And now turn it off. Now you put the e-brake. You push that all the way in. Push it. No, push it with your foot. Yeah.
Drive and me. You shoot me an orange.
You guys want to drive?
Yeah, I'm gonna drive first.
Okay, so we're going to go to the back and then you guys could drive, okay? Mommy, good job.